Start with you, not the product or the company. And what I mean by that is you have to stop promoting products or companies or anything that you're promoting directly. You have to start building your own brand. You have to lead with value. And how you do that is you can either create an ebook or you can create a video and you can give it away to your subscribers for free to get your brand out there so that your subscribers, first of all, that they get value from you. Second of all, they get to know who you are. Always lead with value. What you can do, you may add hyperlinks in your lead magnet to offer them your products. So if you're promoting something and you still like to make some money at the front end, just add a hyperlink to your product in your ebook. Or when you do a video, you can tell them the website, or you can add some links below the video to check out what it is that you're promoting. But do it in a way that where you're not selling. Just lead with value and just recommend them your product. Here's a few resources that I would recommend when you're creating your lead magnet. And the lead magnet is either an ebook or a video. So let's go over some resources for the ebooks. There's a website called iWriter.com. This is a really great website. If you don't feel like writing your own ebook, you can just hire a ghostwriter to do it for you. So what you can do there is you can give them your keywords. It doesn't matter what niche you're in. You can just give them your keywords, a description of what you want them to write about, and they're going to go ahead and write up the ebook, and you choose how many words you want that ebook to be. It can be, 500 words, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, however many you want. And all you do is you just pay them the fee and you can put your name on it. They're basically just a ghostwriter. So, and that is iWriter.com. So let's talk about the next one. And the next one, what we have here is Fiverr.com. And maybe you've heard of it already. Maybe not, but it's a website where you can hire anyone to do pretty much anything for you. So if you don't like iWriter.com, you can find someone on Fiverr to write your ebook, or find someone who can create a graphic for your cover for your ebook. Pretty much anything that you need to get done, you can find someone to do it for you for as low as $5. So that's Fiverr.com. And I put Photoshop on here because I've used it in the past. If you're more hands-on and you want to design your own ebook cover, you can use Photoshop for it. So next one is OpenOffice, and that one is for writing your own ebook. If you don't want to hire anyone and you just want to create your own ebook, you can just write it up there. And OpenOffice is a free software that you can download. Just Google it and OpenOffice, download it, and it's free. Just download it and you can have it on your computer, and it's a great software to use to write up your ebook, to add the hyperlinks, to then export your ebook into PDF. I've used it in the past, and it's something that I wanted to recommend to you. For videos, I've used Camtasia in the past, and Camtasia is a really great software to create screencasts and screen capture videos and things like that. And if you want to do a training on how to do something and you want to share your screen and take them through the steps, Camtasia is awesome for that. EasyVSL is a really great software to create slideshows. I've done it in the past. EasyVSL, it's a super easy to use and really fast to put together a presentation. All you do is just write up your text, and then you record a voiceover, and then you just sync it with your slides, and that's it. Handbrake is a really great software for getting your videos web optimized. So if you want to make sure that your videos are upload and play well for all your subscribers, make sure you make your videos web optimized. So just record your video and run it through Handbrake, and it's going to be web optimized. So obviously you've heard of YouTube, Vimeo, and Wistia. They're sites where you can host your videos, so it's really up to you. YouTube is obviously free. Vimeo is, you can create a free account there if you're not going to do a lot of videos. But if you want to do more, there is a paid option as well. And Wistia is a really great site that I personally use, and I've used it in the past, and I love it. It has really great features, and the best thing I like about it is it's simple to use, and also you can see stats for every single one of your videos. So you can actually see the engagement of your videos and all the stats that you're looking for. So that's it for the resource.